Hi, let's answer this question together. We need to find the derivative, or dy by dx, of 3x squared plus 1 multiplied by 2x cubed minus 5. Notice that y is the product of two functions. Whenever two functions are multiplied together, we use the product rule. Let's let u equal 3x squared plus 1 and v equal 2x cubed minus 5. Differentiating u gives 6x, and differentiating v gives 6x squared. Now substitute these into the product rule formula. We get dy by dx equals 3x squared plus 1 multiplied by 6x squared plus 2x cubed minus 5 multiplied by 6x. Expanding the first term gives 18x to the power of 4 plus 6x squared. Expanding the second term gives 12x to the power of 4 minus 30x. Hence, we have that dy by dx equals 30x to the power of 4 plus 6x squared minus 30x. And that's how to apply the product rule. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please ask in the comments. And if this video was helpful, please leave a like and consider subscribing.